Hello friends, my topic is maple syrup urine disease. Here I am going to discuss about cause, mechanism, classification, signs and symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and prevention of maple syrup urine disease. Maple syrup urine disease is an inherited metabolic disorder. It occurs due to abnormal chemical reactions in the body. This leads to changes in the normal metabolic process. The affected individual is unable to process certain amino acids properly. It is a rare disorder distinguished by deficiency of certain enzymes. As I said earlier, maple syrup urine disease is an autosomal recessive metabolic disorder affecting the process of branched chain amino acids. It is a type of organic acidemia. This disease is characterized by sweet odor of the affected individual's urine, which resembles with maple syrup or burnt sugar, hence the name. Symptoms of maple syrup urine disease differs among patients. The symptoms exhibited by patients depend upon the amount of enzyme activity. Maple syrup urine disease is caused by deficiency of branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase. It is an enzyme encoded by 4 genes. The deficiency of branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase results in dysfunction of branched chain amino acid metabolism. Branched chain amino acids include valine, isoleucine, and leucine. It is represented as VIL. The characterized order of maple syrup urine disease is caused by isoleucine metabolite. When concentration of valine, isoleucine, and leucine increase, it results in delay of transport of tyrosine, tryptophan, etc. into brain, which are large neutral amino acids. This in turn affects the synthesis of dopamine and serotonin in brain. Delay in transport of tyrosine and tryptophan decrease the synthesis of dopamine and serotonin. These are the 3 branched chain amino acids: valine, isoleucine, and leucine. This is the diagrammatic representation of metabolism of branched chain amino acids in normal condition. In the first step, valine, isoleucine, and leucine, which are the 3 branched chain amino acids, get converted into alpha ketoisovalerate, alpha keto beta methylvalerate, and alpha ketoisocaparate respectively by the action of the enzyme branched chain aminotransferase BCAT. It is a reversible process. These 3 are called alpha keto acids. In the second step, an enzyme called branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase BCKDH convert these 3 alpha keto acids into propenyl CoA, acetyl CoA, and isovaleryl CoA respectively. It is a complex enzyme and this is an irreversible process. These metabolites are further processed into other metabolites in the TCA cycle. This is the case in normal condition. In an affected MSUD patient, there is absence of branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase BCKDH. Thus, the alpha ketoacids cannot be processed any further. Thus, the concentration of valine, isoleucine, leucine, and these alpha ketoacids increase. This is an overview of maple syrup urine disease. Inheritance pattern of maple syrup urine disease. The affected individual has to be homozygous recessive for the affected alleles. The heterozygous for the affected alleles will be unaffected carriers. It is a rare disease seen in 1 in 1,86,000 to 1 in 1,85,000 births. Because it is an autosomal recessive condition, each parent carries one normal copy and one mutated copy of the gene. They act as unaffected carriers showing no symptoms. From this diagrammatic representation, we can say the homozygous recessive is the affected individual and the heterozygous is the unaffected carrier. Cause of maple syrup urine disease. The reason for maple syrup urine disease is the mutations in BCKDHA, BCKDHB, and DBT genes. These 3 genes make a protein complex which is essential for breaking down the branched chain amino acids. Accumulation of these branched chain amino acids and their toxic byproducts cause serious health problems. Mutations in any of these three genes, BCKDHA, BCKDHB, and DBT, reduce or eliminate the function of the protein complex and prevent the normal breakdown of amino acids. Signs and symptoms of maple syrup urine disease. Symptoms of maple syrup urine disease include sweet smelling urine, poor feeding, loss of appetite, vomiting, hypertonicity, dehydration, weight loss, metabolic acidotic state. Elevated level of keto acids are toxic to brain, lead to brain edema, gliosis, white matter demyelination. It also results in psychomotor retardation, muscles become rigid, loss of motor reflex. If untreated, maple syrup urine disease can lead to coma and even death. In this picture, the first one is the normal urine sample and the second one is maple syrup urine sample. Even by looking the color of the urine, we can identify some abnormalities. Babies with maple syrup urine disease may also have episodes known as a metabolic crisis. Symptoms of a metabolic crisis include lack of energy, vomiting, irritability, breathing difficulties, etc. Risk factors. It is reported by National Organization for Rare Disorders that maple syrup urine disease occurs at the same rate in males and females. The risk for having any form of maple syrup urine disease depends on whether parents are carriers of the disease. If both parents are carriers, their child has 25% chance of receiving two mutated genes which causing maple syrup urine disease. 50% chance for receiving only one defective gene and being a carrier. 25% chance of receiving one normal gene from each parent. Classification of maple syrup urine disease. Maple syrup urine disease is classified into classic MSUD, intermittent MSUD, intermediate MSUD, thiamine responsive MSUD, and E3 deficient MSUD. Classic MSUD. It is the most severe and common form of maple syrup urine disease. Here the enzyme activity is less than 3%. This condition arises due to the absence or significant decrease in the function of enzyme branched-chain ketoacid dehydrogenase. This enzyme plays an important role in the breakdown of branched-chain amino acids. Signs and symptoms are seen within 48 hours of birth. Symptoms include ketonuria, irritation, poor feeding, lethargy, vomiting, and dystonia. Eventually develop seizures, apnea, and cerebral edema. Metabolic intoxication is caused due to increased endogenous protein catabolism such as infection, injury, fasting, and exercise. Symptoms include epigastric pain, vomiting, anorexia, and muscle weakness. Intermittent MSUD. It is the second type of maple syrup urine disease. It is the second most common form of maple syrup urine disease. Here enzyme activity is 5 to 8%. It is the mild form of maple syrup urine disease. Compared to other forms of maple syrup urine disease, enzyme activity is high. Affected child only shows symptoms until around 12 to 24 months of age. Symptoms include neurologic impairment and developmental delay. Catabolic stress presents with ketoacidosis. Other symptoms include ataxia, lethargy, seizures, and coma. Intermediate MSUD is the another form of maple syrup urine disease. It occurred due to mutation of E1 alpha subunit of BCKDH enzyme. Symptoms may be expressed at any age. Enzyme activity is 3 to 30%. In later stage, it shows higher BCKDH activity level. Among the signs and symptoms, acute neurological symptoms are the most severe and common symptom. Other symptoms include dystonia, developmental delay, seizures, and irritability. Another form of maple syrup urine disease is thiamine responsive form. Here the enzyme activity is 2 to 40%. It is the most rare form of maple syrup urine disease. A child with this form may take large doses of thiamine to increase their enzyme activity. Diagnosis. Detection of maple syrup urine disease include if urine smell like maple syrup, it indicates maple syrup urine disease. Earwax is examined. If it smells like maple syrup, it indicates MSUD. Physical exam with evaluation of family medical history of the newborn, urine amino acid test, plasma amino acid test. If the blood contains higher concentration of leucine, it indicates MSUD. Other diagnoses include newborn screening NBS, tandem mass spectrometry, presence of alloisoleucine. Presence of large concentration of alloisoleucine is a characteristic feature to detect MSUD. DNPH test. In this test, dinitrophenyl hydrazine reagent is added to the urine sample and is placed for 10 minutes. If a yellow-white precipitate is seen, it indicates the presence of keto acids. Treatment for maple syrup urine disease. High protein foods need to be limited in diet, such as milk, fish, meat, egg, nuts, etc. Tracking BCAA levels. Thiamine supplement is beneficial for children who have thiamine responsive maple syrup urine disease. Liver transplant surgery is an optional treatment for people with maple syrup urine disease. In the past, dialysis was used for treatment, but it is no longer used. Lowering of leucine concentration. Plasma leucine concentration for children less than 5 years is 75 to 200 micromolar per liter, and for patients greater than 5 years should be 75 to 300 micromolar per liter is ideal. Infusion of glucose. Inhibit protein catabolism and promote protein synthesis. Prevention for maple syrup urine disease. There are no methods for preventing the manifestation of the pathology of maple syrup urine disease in infants with 2 defective copies of BCKD gene. However, genetic counselors may consult with couples to screen for the disease via DNA testing. DNA testing is available to identify the disease in an unborn child in the womb. So we can conclude that maple syrup urine disease is an autosomal recessive metabolic disorder affecting the process of branched-chain amino acids. It is caused by deficiency of branched-chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase enzyme. This condition can lead to changes in normal metabolic process. Dietary management is key to successful long-term treatment. Early detection and treatment can reduce the impact of maple syrup urine disease. Thank you.